today I wanted to look at question on let me see. Guys, look at this. It's long on secondary research, and there's a question that I'm trying to find now. I have the right solution right. If you look at question 12, they're telling us that a lady deposits 2,000 shillings in a microfinance company at interest rate of 20% per annum. Then each year the interest earned is added to the right an algorithm for a program that would track the growth of the deposit over a period of 7 years. So guys, I want us to launch a software and actually tackle that quiz. Okay, so let's launch a now let's give it a file name. Just do deposit database. Then create a data called deposit. Now that we okay guys, so this blank form, let's open the form design. So a button. So this button will calculate the deposit on click, and the deposit made in form of I'll cancel. Then just I calculate the deposit. So that's our button. That button is back really that. So give it a name. Call it BTN deposit. So now name okay, let's put the event tab and choose on click event. This takes us to the code builder. Now in the code builder we are going to declare a few variables. Clear rate, deposit, clear, to declare interest, clear what else? Okay, let's clear double. Let's also declare another variable called number of years, just by start with integer. Now we may use a loop. Of course, we are going to use a loop, and the loop we are going to use may while or for, but I'm going to go for. So first of all, let's initialize rate 20%. Let's initialize all interest trillion, deposit trillion. I think we are done with initialization. So let's use for. So for n equals, let's use the for loop. For n equals 1, because the number of years 7 and we are supposed to track the deposit at the end of each. So let's just do next n. Then in between we got to calculate interest equals principal or deposit this case multiplied, so it's gonna be deposit rate 1. Then we got to calculate the deposit, our deposit, the new deposit plus deposit. Then because we are going to track the deposit by the end of it. So first of all, before this could do anything, by the end of year 1, we will display the current deposit. So before we could execute this code, let's display the deposit, then the year. So just do quotation mark here, and then concatenate this with we are going to concatenate this with let's do the concatenation we got with the just call it here and deposit here and okay. So we can just do another quotation equal. Do concatenation, so we shall concatenate this with another. Let's concatenate this with another concatenation operator, and then say deposit. So we'll play the file now. Then play this. Let's try this. So it is save and then try this. Let's save and try. So let's open the form in form view. So we may form view. Then I'm gonna click on the button. So let's see what happens. Hopefully, if there's no error, you'll run the code. I think there's a problem. Okay, let's click again. Okay, so year one is that. Okay, we get year two deposits, year 3 deposit, year 4 deposit, year 5 deposit, year 6 deposit, year 7 deposit. This terminates. So guys, thank you for watching. I would urge you to subscribe channel for I'll be posting more that are very nice, very important for learning Next VBA, and I hope this will be very. Check me out next time. Have a nice day. Thank you very much for watching.